In the past few weeks, NFT trend has changed differently compared to the past. Ever since the release of Goblintown, Degen NFTs investment is popular, especially on meme NFTs. Looking at the top 10 ranking in OpenSea, you can see the majority of the top ranking are meme and free meme NFTs. Hi, welcome to Metaverselink. In this video, I'm going to share about market analysis and how Degen gets profits. But before I start, I appreciate to hit the like button, subscribe to my video, and follow my Twitter for any future updates. Okay, let's dive into it. Last week, there is not many changes in sales volume in OpenSea. The market is relatively low, mainly due to macro factors. However, it doesn't apply to meme NFTs. In fact, without the meme NFTs, the sale would have been gone even lower. Punk9059 created some interesting graphs in his tweets. Goblin's NFTs, the famous meme NFT that has been the highest royalties in June. It has more than double compared with the famous blue chip NFTs such as Yuga Labs, Proof, and Artists. We're All Going to Die is a project of out of nowhere and have become one of the top past 24 hours and the last 7 days. The special font theme and title attract many attentions. I believe the words represent many investors' thoughts during the current bear market. A new NFT project that starts less than 2 weeks has released a free mint to holders. It is very fast compared with the past NFTs, but with no roadmap. Instead, having around 30 minutes of burning creepy sound. Being good have to be stand out with others. This post shows the unique picture that Burning Mutant ate a blue chip NFT. A very unique way to show that the bear market and match well with the NFT name, We're All Going to Die. This is one of the factors cause a floor price increase as well. We're All Going to Die collection OpenSea graph. We can see that the graph is keeping 0.21 ETH to 1.53 ETH. Even if Degen play in the secondary market, you can still earn money as the price keeps increasing. By looking at the above case study, we know that the market trend changed quite differently. More entertainment and free means are what the market's looking for. Other NFTs such as Puppet NFT, Shitbeast, Goblintown, Megagoblin are having a similar style of NFT marketing technique. In fact, some NFTs have Twitter only, no website, no Discord, no roadmap, and no docs team behind. Normally, these kinds of NFTs just pop out of nowhere. The reason of being able to provide free mint is less marketing costs and less effort to be done. They promote to alpha groups to gain popularity before minting. This shall increase the chances of rug pulls as they can remain anonymous and keep creating new NFT projects. This cycle continues to be bad for the NFT space. Degen is a very risky investment method. Degen mainly invests based on trends and hype without any proper research. It is the easiest way to earn a lot of money. Sadly, this method does not apply to all new upcoming NFTs. There are a few ways you can deal with it, but not financial advice. First, the easiest way is to not involve with this free mint trend. If not many details disclosed may lead to rug pulls. Not investing or flipping is a good way to avoid it. Now another way you can do is check their contract. Let's take Borderlands Goblins as an example. Borderlands Goblin is a parody with the mix of famous NFTs project, Body Yacht Club and Goblintown. Looking at the art design is likely to become one of the hyped projects. Checking the contract number, either scan, there are a few things you can check to boost the confidence of getting the free mint NFT project. First of all, you can look at the transactions. When the NFT has released sometime in the secondary market, you can see most of the latest transactions are having word minting. You're gonna think twice before purchasing it, as unlikely the flipping changes. You're gonna be successful as fewer buyers aiming for the selected NFTs. Next, you can confirm that the contract is verified. If it's verified, there's a green color tick beside the contract. Let's take this NFT project as an example. What as Goblin NFT has verified the contract. Select contract and click on read contract. In this part, there are two parts I would like to look into. This is max per wallet and max supply. Since the max per wallet is 9,999 and max supply is 10,018, there is possible that few NFTs investors can own a lot of these NFTs. As an NFT Degen, it may be challenging to earn money. Now, even though there are a lot of sales and the floor price won't last long as there are few interested buyers on the second market. However, 6,000 Twitter followers are pretty less for a new NFT project. In fact, you can see the floor price drop to 0.01 ETH. If you play as Degen and plan to flip immediately, you're gonna feel frustrated. So, there's a risk and reward when using Degen investment. Next NFT I'd like to share is FTC for the future. This is a very unique NFT that provides free mint and 0.01 ETH. Basically, this is a free airdrop. When getting this kind of free mint, basically your earning money depends how much you earn. By selling this NFT, you earn 0.41 ETH, same as the current floor price. Degen play has become a famous trend by finding the lower cost and interesting NFT. A lot of free mint NFTs in the space. This is a good start for someone who likes to play in the short run. In conclusion, we know that Degen investment is the popular trend at the moment. Selecting meme NFT is very important. Choosing the wrong meme will lose the money. Given a few examples, meme NFTs as well. We know that the floor price is unpredicted as mainly due to hype. Selling the NFTs when you think the price is good enough, don't be greedy. Otherwise, you're going to lose the best earning money opportunity. And the last and most important piece of advice is to use the burner wallet when using free NFTs. By creating a separate wallet such as burner wallet, you can reduce the risk of losing other precious NFTs that you have owned. It's very common that scams happen on free mint NFTs. That's all for today's video. What do you think about Degen investment? Feel free to comment below. See you in the next video.